Yeah, there you go. Oh, there, look at that. Joshy, good job. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Oh, no, hold in the air, hold in the air. No, just stop. It's okay. You got to keep that pole way up in the air, just like that. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh man, Joshy. Oh, he's mad. He's okay. Wait. Oh, Joshua! Look at that, dude! High five! High five! Look at that missile! Oh! Here, hold that guy right there. Hold him. There you go. Turn around and smile at that camera because I think it's videotaping. I'm hoping.
This thing is heavy.
Keep that pole way up in the air. I know it's hard. I don't even see him. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Oh. He's not happy. Here, keep that pole up in the air like that. Oh, another bruiser, buddy. Another bruiser. Look at that pig. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah, don't. Okay, let him. Oh, yeah, yeah. Don't yank him. Don't yank him. Oh, Joshy. Bigger than the last one, buddy. Look at that. Look at that, buddy. Okay, you can put your fishing pole there. Holy smoke. Dude, what are you trying to do here? Rob the place? Nice, buddy. Oh, again. Not again, you monster, you. Oh, another pig, buddy. A pig. Okay, don't force him. Don't force him. Look at that. He's a beauty. Don't force him. Don't force him. Oh, dude. High five. Look at you, man. You were so on fire. I beat all three of them. Unbelievable. And then stop for a second. Stop. What do you think, huh? Look at that.